Welcome to NetTuts. My name is Jeffrey Way. I'm your host, and in today's video quick tip, I'm going to show you something that you may not know. This is something that anyone can do. It's just a nice, helpful way to auto-refresh your browser. So when you're designing, especially new websites, the common practice is maybe you make some edits here, you click Save, you come back to your browser, you click Refresh, and then you look at the changes. Well, it would be nice if there was a way to auto do that. Now you have a few options. One, Coda has this built in. I believe Espresso does too if you're a Mac user. Another one you can use is X-Refresh Server, or it's just called X-Refresh. That works. It takes a little bit to get set up, but that works too. And there's one other that I'll show you at the very end. But let's take a look at this first option of adding a meta tag. So let me go ahead and add some beginning HTML. Hello world. And now at the very top, just for development purposes, I'm going to add a new meta type. And it's going to be HTTP equiv of refresh and a content of 1. So what this does is it tells the browser to refresh every second. Or in this case, we could change it to maybe every 3 seconds. So if I refresh the page so that it gets new source code, every 3 seconds this is going to refresh. Now keep in mind though, in order for it to reflect the changes, you need to actually save the document. So save, and then come back, you save, and there it's been updated. Cool, so if you're doing this, you can change it to maybe 1 second if you're making big changes. That way it's almost instantly updated. Okay. So pretty cool. You can use this in any text editor, but if you are using in TextMate, better than doing this is to use some of the built-in commands that are available to you that a lot of people don't use. So we could go to the bundle editor, go to show bundle editor, and you can see this one right here. There's a bunch of really helpful ones that you should take a look at if you don't. But you see this one, refresh running browsers. This is going to find all the running browsers and refresh them based upon an activation key. In this case, I've set, I believe by default it's Apple R, but I've set mine to Apple S. So now whenever I click that, it's going to save the current file and refresh any running browsers. So I'm going to close that out, get rid of our meta type, and now if I hit Apple S, it's going to save the document and update that immediately. Pretty cool. So you have a couple options depending upon your text editor. One is to use that meta type. Here, let me paste it in one more time. And the other is to take advantage of the bundle editor, or you can write these shell scripts on your own. So let me know if you have any questions. And as always, be sure to return to NetTuts for more tips and tutorials. Bye.